If you want to set up an alarm clock on a Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then in that case we need to go to the app drawer, and over here we need to find the clock app, which should be pre-installed of course on our phone. So once you open the clock app, we need to make sure that we have access to notifications. I mean, the app has access to notifications. Make sure that we have alarm selected, and you might be able to find some pre-added alarm clocks. Of course, we can use them if you want to. You can tap on them in order to edit them. You can also tap on additional settings to find some more options. And also, if we tap on this check, then as you can see, the alarm is enabled after that, and we can see when the alarm will go off. But of course, we can just tap on the switcher again in order to turn off once, or turn off if it's repeating, then we can turn off repeating completely. If you want to create your own alarm clock, we can press on this plus button over here on the right side, and we can set it up pretty easily. We can choose to ringtone, whether the alarm should repeat, whether it should vibrate when the alarm sounds, and whether it should automatically delete after it goes off. We also can attach a label. Tap on this check in the upper right corner once again in order to enable the alarm, and you can see when it will go off in what time. We can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner in order to find some additional settings if you want to, of course, and if you press and hold your finger, then you can start selecting alarms that you, for example, want to delete. So if I want to remove some of these alarms, I can just tap on and delete afterwards after I select them. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.